Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss exam question paper, that is C3 Mathematics. First question, if you read, if the question f of x equal to, they define like this, which is continuous at x equal to 2. So continuous at x equal to 2 means, you observe, here x is not equal to 2 means x tends to 2. This is f of 2. F of 2 value 2 only. So this function is continuous means limit. What is the definition? Limit x tends to 2. F of x equal to f of 2. So again from this is limit x tends to 2. 2 means this f of x tends to 2 means not exactly not equal to 2. So f of x means this one. So what we have to write? F of x means this will be x square minus half a plus 2 into x plus a divided by x minus 2. So f of 2 value 2. Then they are asking a value. So how to calculate a? We have to identify. Right here. Suppose if you substitute x equal to 2, 4, this is 2a minus 4, this is plus, this is minus a, this is plus a. So 0 by 0 form we are getting. So whenever you are getting 0 by 0 form means LHospital rule we have to apply. So what is LHospital rule? See, limit x tends to 2. LHospital rule how to apply? X square derivative 2x minus a plus 2 constant, x derivative 1 plus a derivative 0, x derivative 1 equal to, there is no changes here, 2. If we are substituting x equal to 2, so x equal to 2 means this will be 4 minus a plus 2, minus 2 equal to 2. So a 4 minus 2 means 2, again 2 cancel means from this a equal to 0. So a equal to 0 means which option we are getting? Fourth option is the answer. Fourth one. So like that we have to answer first one. Next. Second one, if you observe, so they define f of x equal to two cases. This is logarithm of 1 plus ax minus log of 1 minus bx divided by x. So this is undefined, means whenever x is not equal to 0. So this function is continuous at x equal to 0. Then what is f of 0? They are asking question. F of 0. So this function is continuous at x equal to 0. F of 0 means first definition. So this function is continuous. Limit x tends to 0. X tends to 0 means log of 1 plus ax minus log of 1 minus bx divided by x equal to f of 0. You don't write many steps also, within 1 or 2 steps you can get answer. For understanding purpose I will write detailed steps, no problem. You observe. Just we are splitting this fraction, at the same time we are applying limit also. So this is limit x tends to 0 log of 1 plus ax divided by x minus limit x tends to 0 log of 1 minus bx divided by x equal to f of 0. One formula is there in limits. Limit x tends to 0 log of 1 plus x divided by x value 1. Similarly, limit x tends to 0 log of 1 plus ax divided by x is there. So whatever x coefficient is there, that is the answer. So a. So finally this is a minus of, here x coefficient minus b is there. So this is also minus b equal to f of 0. So finally a plus b equal to f of 0. So f of 0 value a plus b means answer is the third option. Next, fourth question, so third one. Suppose if you are substituting x equal to 0 means 0 by 0 form means again LHS rule you apply, easily will get answer. If you are not understanding these steps. Third one, f of x equal to sin of 3x divided by x whenever x is not equal to 0. This is k by 2 whenever x equal to 0. Again same function is continuous at x equal to 0. So this is f of 0, this is given function means x tends to 0. So from this limit x tends to 0, so x tends to 0 means sin of 3x divided by x equal to f of 0. F of 0 nothing but k by 2. You know limits there, limit x tends to 0, sin x by x means 1, sin 3x by x means this is 3 equal to k divided by 2. So finally k equal to 6. What is the corresponding formula means limit x tends to 0 sin of kx divided by x nothing but its value will be k. X coefficient k is there k, 10 is there 10, m is there m, or 3 is there 3 will come. So right side k by 2 as it is we are writing, that is k equal to 6. Next, fourth question. How they are asking question, find the value of f of 0 means value of the function at x equal to 0. So again how they define f of x equal to 1 plus 5x whole to the power 1 by x. So this function is continuous at x equal to 0. So finally what we have to calculate, f of 0 we have to calculate. So that this function is continuous at x equal to 0 means limit x tends to 0, f of x equal to f of 0 we written. So from this is limit x tends to 0, f of x nothing but 1 plus 5x whole power 1 by x, f of 0 we have to calculate. Suppose if I am substituting x equal to 0, this is 1 power 1 by 0. 1 by 0 means infinity. So 1 power infinity appears. What are the tricks in continuity arguments? So 1 power infinity appears. What we have to take? See. Whenever 1 power of infinity appears, e power limit x tends to 0, f of x minus 1 into g of x. When this is f of x power g of x is there. F of x power g of x. So e to the power limit x tends to 0, 1 plus f of x. See, this is f of x minus 1 into g of x, nothing but 1 by x equal to f of 0. Very clear? Minus 1 plus 1 cancel. Again 5x by x. Again x also will go. So finally e to the power 5. Here x tends to 0 means nothing is there, x value. So here only constant 5 is there. So e power 5 equal to right side f of 0 is there. So f of 0 value e to the power 5. So answer is fourth option. Next. Some results you should remember whenever 1 power infinity, see here, limit x tends to 0, f of x to the power g of x. Suppose whenever x you are substituting equal to 0 means, suppose if this limit we are getting 1 power infinity, what we should apply here? E to the power limit x tends to 0, f of x means base minus 1 into g of x. Like that we have to write. So this is the formula, most important you should remember. F of x power g of x appears means whenever you are substituting x equal to 0, if you are getting 1 power infinity means e to the power base minus 1 into power. We have to answer like that. Next. Fifth question. F of x equal to C. How they define? E to the power kx minus 1 into sine of kx. Whenever x divided by 4x square, whenever x is not equal to 0. So this is f of 0 value 9. So f of 0 means whenever x is substituting 0, f of 0 will come, it is 9. So then what they are asking question, what is the value of k? They are asking question. K value we have to calculate. So this function is continuous at x equal to 0 means limit x tends to 0, f of x equal to f of 0. This is the definition. So very clear, limit x tends to 0. X tends to 0 means not exactly 0 case. What is f of x value? E to the power kx minus 1 into sine of kx by 4x square is there? No. See here. Here one value I am writing. This is x. This is also x. 1 by 4 we are writing separately. 4x square is there. X into x. X square into 4 means 4x square. Equal to f of 0 means 9. Very clear. limit extends to 0, formulas you observe. Limit extends to 0, e power x minus 1 divided by x is there 1. Again, limit x tends to 0, e to the power ax minus 1 divided by x is there a. X coefficient a is there a. So its value k. Sin of kx by x is there into k by 4. This is by 4 equal to 9. So very clear. K into k means k square equal to 4 into 9 nothing but 36. So k equal to plus or minus 6. So k equal to plus or minus 6 means option number 3 answer. Option 3. Next. Number 6. Sixth question. How they define f of x equal to x cube plus 8 divided by x to the power 5 plus 32. Then f is continuous at x equal to minus 2. Then what they are asking, f of minus 2 value they are asking question. Okay, given function is there, this function is continuous at x equal to minus 2, then what is f of minus 2 they are asking question. So if this function is continuous means limit x tends to minus 2 f of x nothing but x cube plus 8 divided by x4 of 5 plus 32 equal to f of minus 2 we have to write. From the definition we are writing. So from this you observe this is limit x tends to minus 2 x cube. Can I write this is minus 2 whole cube? Minus 2 whole cube means minus 8 of minus means plus 8 divided by x to the power 5 minus of minus 2 whole power 5 equal to f of minus 2. One result in limits. Limit x tends to a x to the power m minus a to the power m divided by x power n minus a power n equal to m by n into a to the power m minus n. That formula. M value 3, n value 5, a value minus 2. So if you apply that formula, see, m by n minus 2 whole power m minus n, that is f of minus 2. So this is minus 2. Minus 2 whole power minus 2 means 1 by minus 2 whole square, nothing but 1 by 4. So this is 3 by 5 into 1 by 4 equal to f of minus 2. This is 3 by 20 answer. 3 divided by 20. So which one correct option? So 3 by 20 nothing but the second option will give answer. Next. Question number 7. In 7th one, how they are asking question we will see. F of x they define. So f of x equal to, say that x into tan of 2x divided by sin of 3x into sin of 3x into sin of 5x. If this function is continuous at x equal to 0, then they are asking what is f of 0 value. They are asking question f of 0. So f of 0 they are asking question means limit x tends to 0 f of x. F of x means x into tan of 2x divided by this is sin 3x into sin of 5x equal to f of 0. This is the definition. Suppose x equal to 0 means 0 by 0 form we have to write. Otherwise you can apply L'Hospital rule also. Instead of L'Hospital rule, just one simple technique. Limit x tends to 0, tan x by x means 1. Tan 2x by x means 2. So tan terms, sin terms appears means try to make its denominator, their denominator as x. You observe. Numerator tan of 2x. Just I am writing by x. This x is there, denominator I am writing. So sin of 3x by x, again sin of 5x by x. You observe x cancel, denominator again, denominator means it will goes to numerator, again same function will come. Just numerator and denominator divided by x square. So what will get you observe? Limit x tends to 0, tan 2x by x means 2. Limit x tends to 0, sin 3x by 3 means 3. Limit x tends to 0, sin 5x by 5 means 5. That is f of 0. 2 divided by 15. 2 divided by 15. See the answers? 2 divided by 15 means third option we have to give. Next. Same 8th one also, same answers like this. 9th one you observe. 8th you have to try. So 8th one nothing but 3 by denominator tan square is there, nothing but 2 square we have to write. 3 by 4. So 3 by 4 which option means that is also third option answer. Next. Question number 9 we will see. In the question number 9, one function they define like this. F of x equal to, so x into e to the power 1 by x divided by 1 plus e power 1 by x. Then they are asking f of 0, they are asking question. So this function is continuous at x equal to 0. This function is continuous at x equal to 0. So continuous 0 at x equal to 0 means left hand limit equal to right hand limit. So at the same time equal to f of 0. So all are equal means that is the value of f of 0 we have to calculate. So we will see left hand limit. So in the left hand limit, how to write limit x tends to 0 minus f of x we will see 0 minus c. So from this limit x tends to 0 minus means what we have to write? H tends to 0, f of 0 minus h we have to write. So again from this limit h tends to 0, wherever x is there in that place 0 minus h. So this is what I am writing, x is there, 0 minus h means this will be minus h. E to the power 1 divided by minus h divided by 1 plus e power minus 1 by h. Suppose if I am substituting h tends to 0, so h tends to 0 means this is 0, this is also 1 by infinity, this is 0. Total 0 will come. So this is total 0. So very clear, f of x is function continuous at x equal to 0 means left hand limit equal to right hand limit equal to f of 0. So clearly f of 0 value 0 only we got here. So which option we have to take? Nothing but second option. So ninth one, second option. No need to calculate right hand limit because this function is continuous. They only tell you left hand limit is to calculate, that is nothing but value of the function at x equal to 0. Nothing but f of 0. So ninth one, yes, f of 0 value 0 only it will come. Next, 10th question we will see. Tenth one already repeated, same as second one. 11th we will see. 11th question. F of x, how they define? F of x equal to, once we will see, this is 4x plus 1. Whenever x is less than 2, its value 1. Whenever x equal to 2, its value 6x minus 3. 6x minus 3, whenever x is more than 2, then 4 options you observe. First option, f of x is continuous at x equal to 2, second option discontinuous, third option limit extends to 2, f of x does not exist, limit extends to f of x exists, like that questions they are asking. So we'll see, limit x tends to 2, f of x value means left hand limit we will calculate first. This is left hand limit. Limit x tends to 2 minus. 2 minus means in case of x is less than 2. X is less than 2, how much takes? 4x plus 1. Putting x equal to 2 means 8 plus 1, that is 9. R itself will see. Limit x tends to 2 plus f of x. So that is limit x tends to 2 plus means more than 2, that is 6x minus 3. So 6x minus 3, again putting x equal to 2, this is 12 minus 3, nothing but 9. So both left hand limit equal to right hand limit. Value of the function at x equal to 2, f of 2 value 1, but f of 2 is not equal to 9, hence limit extends to 2 exists, but this is a discontinuous function at x equal to 2. So 11th one, second option answer. 11th, second option, because what is the limit, what is the continuity definition? Limit x tends to 2 minus f of x value is equal to limit x tends to 2 plus f of x value f of 2. See here, this is 9 we got, but f of 2 only 1. So these two may be equal, but this is not equal to. So f of x is discontinuous at x equal to 2. So that we have to write answer as second option. Next question, number 12. We read that question. F of x they define like this. This function is continuous at x equal to 0. Then the value of k they are asking question. So different how they define it also, this function less than 0 case, equal to 0 case, more than 0 case. So left hand limit to right hand limit to value of the function, all the three must be equal. Otherwise, there it is not continuous. But they are telling this function is continuous at x equal to 0. Okay. Just what I am taking, left hand limit. Limit extends to 0 minus f of x I am taking. So from this, you observe limit extends to 0 minus f of x less than 0 means this function I have to write. So this is sin of a plus 1 into x, again sin of ax divided by x equal to f of 0 also we have to write. Okay, we'll see later. So from this, if you are splitting, limit extends to 0, sin of a plus 1 x by x means a plus 1 answer. Sin of ax by x means plus a answer. Left hand limit equal to right hand limit. What is the right hand limit? Limit extends to 0 plus f of x. See, limit x tends to 0 plus means greater than 0 case. What I have to write? This is sin of 3ax divided by x. So what is the answer here? 3a. So left hand limit equal to right hand limit equal to value of the function, nothing but f of 0. What is value of the function at x equal to 0? F of 0 nothing but k. This is also k. You observe all these three values are equal. So just like you observe 4 options, how they are asking k value in terms of 3, 4, a, 3a like that. So k equal to 3a. So k equal to 3a means this is k equal to 3a. At the same time 2a plus 1 also will come. So k, it is not unique value, either 3a or 2a plus 1. So two values are given. So this is k value 3a, wrong option. So you observe, if you are equating these two, so what is a value? K divided by 3. K divided by 3. So a value k divided by 3, then later this one and this one I am taking. So how we get? See. So what is this value? A plus a means 2a. 2a plus 1 equal to k. What is a value? K by 3. You substitute here. A value k by 3 nothing but this is 2k divided by 3 plus 1 equal to k. Means a we are eliminating. So what is k value? So how to calculate k value? So this is 2k. 1 you take left. This term you send that side. So that is k minus 2k by 3. So 1 equal to this is 3k minus 2k, k divided by 3, so k equal to 3. So k equal to 3 means what is the answer? First option. So this is the way of calculating k value. So most important result, this is little bit tricky is there, that trick you have to follow. Next. 13th, same as first one, I think this is 1 or 2 problems repeated. 13th same as first one. 14th you observe. 14th question. The number of points at which the function f of x equal to 1 divided by log of mod x discontinuous. So one function said to be discontinuous means f of 0 must be finite, means f of a. Whenever one function is said to be continuous or discontinuous means, continuous means f of a value must be finite. If it is infinite means that function is discontinuous. All the three terms are equal. So limit extends to a, f of x also exists finitely. So where is function infinite, that we have to identify. So denominator part equal to 0. So you observe log of mod x equal to 0. When this will be 0 means or infinity. So you observe whether x equal to 1 or minus 1. Log 0 means not defined. Log 0 means not defined. So how many points it is discontinuous means x equal to 0, x equal to 1, minus 1. So at 3 points this function is discontinuous. So which option? 14th, third option, right? So at 3 points this function is discontinuous. Because log 0 it is not defined, so that one also we are eliminating. Fifteenth, f of x equal to mod x, everywhere continuous, no doubt about it. This is the first option answer. 16th question you observe. F of x equal to this is 1 plus modulus of sin x whole power a divided by modulus of sin of x when minus pi by 6 less than x less than 0. Its value b whenever x equal to 0. This is e to the power tan of 2x divided by tan of 3x whenever 0 less than x less than pi by 6. So like this they define. How they are asking question you observe. F of x is continuous at x equal to 0. This function is continuous at x equal to 0. This function is continuous at x equal to 0 means left hand limit to right hand limit to left hand limit value of the function and right hand limit, all the three values must be equal. We'll see. So limit extends to 0 minus means left hand limit equal to limit x tends to 0 plus f of x equal to f of 0. You observe left hand limit, how to calculate? Limit extends to 0 minus f of x. F of x nothing but 1 plus modulus of sin x whole power a divided by modulus of sin x, which is equal to right hand limit means limit extends to 0 plus nothing but what is the x greater than 0 case e to the power tan of 2x divided by tan of 3x. F of 0 nothing but b. Suppose if I am substituting x equal to 0, this is 1, this is infinity. 1 power infinity means what I told? E to the power, what I told? E to the power, see, these terms are not necessary. From this, e to the power, limit x tends to 0, f of x, 1 plus modulus of sin x minus 1 into g of x. G of x nothing but a divided by modulus of sin x. This one I am writing e power. This one limit extends to 0. Here also you can apply limit. This is the numerator divided by x, denominator divided by x means tan 2x by x, tan 3x by x. This is 2, this is 3. So this is e to the power 2 by 3 equal to f of 0 nothing but b. Very clear. This is minus 1 plus 1 cancel. Modulus of x cancel. So a equal to e to the power 2 by 3 equal to b. Sorry, this is e to the power a. So if I am taking these two, a value 2 by 3. So a value 2 by 3. If I am taking these two, b value e to the power 2 by 3, which option? A value 2 by 3, b value e to the power 2 by 3. So this is the second option answer. Like that. 17th question. 17. Seventeenth question. How they define f of x equal to a tan inverse of 1 divided by x minus 4 pi by 2 b into tan inverse of 2 divided by x minus 4 whenever this is 0 less than or equal to x less than 4, x equal to 4. F of means x is more than 4. This function is continuous at x equal to 4. This function is continuous at x equal to 4. Next question. In this 17, at x equal to 4, this function is continuous. Then what we have to calculate? A value, b value. So left hand limit to right hand limit to value of the function. All these three values are equal. You observe. Limit x tends to 4 minus f of x is equal to limit x tends to 4 plus f of x equal to f of 4 according to definition. So limit x tends to 4 minus f of x means less than 0 case a into tan inverse of 1 divided by x minus 4 equal to limit 0, 4 plus means greater than 4, x is more than 4, so b into tan inverse of 2 divided by x minus 4, f of 4 value that will be 5 by 2. So from this, what we have to calculate here also? Limit x tends to 4 minus means less than 4 case. Less than 4 case means negative will come. More than 4 means positive will come. So less than 4 means almost all 3.9999 means 1 by both are almost all equal to 0. So this is tan inverse of 1 by x minus 4. So this is minus 5 by 2 will come. You observe. Otherwise, separately we will calculate this one. See, limit x tends to 4 minus f of x means a into tan inverse of 1 divided by x minus 4. Again, what we should write? Limit h tends to 0. F of 4 minus h. Wherever h is there, wherever x is there, that place 4 minus h. So this is tan inverse of 1 divided by 4 minus h minus 4. Minus 4 plus 4. If we are substituting h equal to 0, actually this is tan inverse of, again you observe, a is constant. So from this, limit h tends to 0, tan inverse of 1 by minus h, tan inverse of minus 1 by h, again minus tan inverse of 1 divided by h. So if you are substituting 0 means, this is completely 1 by 0 means infinite, tan inverse of infinite means pi by 2. So this is minus pi by 2 into a. You observe. Minus pi by 2 into a. This is positive means plus pi by 2 into b equal to pi by 2. Suppose if you equate these two, pi by 2 cancel, a equal to -1. If you are equating these two, pi by 2 cancel, b equal to 1. So a equal to -1, b equal to 1. Which option? Second option answer. So like that we have to write. 17th answer is second option. Right. Next question. One function they define like this. See, f of x equal to square root of 1 plus kx minus root of 1 minus kx divided by x. Whenever -1 less than or equal to x less than 0, and its value, two cases they define. This is 2x square plus 3x minus 2 whenever 0 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 1. So this function is continuous at x equal to 0 they are telling. Then they are asking k value. If this function is continuous at x equal to 0, what is k? Very simple. Limit x tends to 0 minus f of x equal to limit x tends to 0 plus f of x. So from this you observe limit x tends to 0 minus means less than 0 case. So that is root of 1 plus kx minus root of 1 minus kx divided by x. 0 plus means this one. So limit x tends to 0 plus means 2x square plus 3x minus 2. Suppose x equal to 0 means 0 by 0 form, indeterminate form. So L'Hospital rule we are applying. So limit x tends to 0 plus, anyhow denominator derived to 1, x derived to 1, numerator root of f of x 1 divided by 2 root of 1 plus kx, 1 derived to 0, kx derived to k minus, again say 2 into root of 1 minus kx, 1 derived to 0 minus kx derived to minus k, so this is plus k. So this is putting x equal to 0, this is 0, this is 0, minus 2. So final answer I tell you. Now you are substituting x equal to 0, this is 1, this is 1, k by 2 plus k by 2, see here, k by 2 plus k by 2 minus 2. So this is k equal to minus 2. K equal to minus 2, which option? Is this third option? Yes, 18th third option, k equal to minus 2. Next, 19th question. How they are asking, we'll see once. F of x equal to, see, this is 3x plus k whenever x less than or equal to a, 5x plus m whenever x is more than a. This is continuous at x equal to a. Then what they are asking? F of a value they are asking question. F of a. So this function is continuous at x equal to a means, see here, left hand limit equal to limit x tends to a minus f of x value equal to limit x tends to a plus f of x value equal to f of a. So from this limit x tends to a minus means less than a case, how much it is f of x value 3x plus k, right hand limit. So limit x tends to a plus more than a, that is 5x plus m equal to f of a. If you observe four options in terms of km means a we have to eliminate. See, putting x equal to a 3a plus k. So from this 5m plus 5a plus m equal to f of a. Very clear. Suppose if I am taking these two, so from this a we have to eliminate means, see, 3a plus k equal to 5a plus m. A how to eliminate means 3a you send that side, m you take this side, k minus m equal to 2a. So a equal to k minus m divided by 2. So this is a value. Suppose f of a value, this one if I take, see, f of a equal to these two. If you are taking whatever may be, either if you take this one or this one, answer will come. So 3a plus k equal to 3a plus k equal to f of a, because in the four options there is no a value, so that a we are eliminating. A equal to k minus m by 2. If I am substituting here 3 into k minus m divided by 2, so plus k equal to f of a. So if I am taking LCM, this is 3k plus 2k, that is 5k minus 3m divided by 2 equal to f of a. Say there four options. 5k minus 3m divided by 2 means fourth option answer. So most important, this model you have to remember. Next, question number 20. See there, f of x power g of x type, already I told this model. F of x power g of x appears e to the power f of x minus 1 into g of x type. Question number 20. How they define, you observe. F of x equal to x to the power 1 divided by x minus 1 whenever x is not equal to 1. F is continuous at x equal to 0, then what is f of 1? They are asking question. F is continuous at x equal to 1 means limit x tends to 1, f of x equal to f of 1. They are asking question. So from this limit x tends to 1, f of x nothing but x to the power 1 divided by x minus 1 into f of 1. Suppose x equal to 1, if I substitute 1 power infinity case, what we have to do? E to the power limit x tends to 1 base minus 1 into power. What is the power? 1 divided by x minus 1. This is 1. X minus 1 cancel. So from this what I have to e power 1 equal to f of 1. So f of 1 value e. So first option. Next. 21 you try. 23, 22nd also simple only. Just to apply L'Hopital rule, 23rd I will solve. So 23rd question, see how they are asking. F of x equal to 1 minus sin x divided by pi minus 2x whole square is continuous at x equal to pi by 2. Then they are asking what is f of pi by 2, they are asking question. So f of pi by 2, before that this function is continuous, means limit extends to pi by 2, 1 minus sin of x divided by pi minus 2x whole square equal to f of pi by 2. If you are substituting x equal to pi by 2, 1 minus 1, 0 by 0, 0 by 0 form means L'Hopital rule you apply. So, limit x tends to pi by 2, this derivative is 0 minus cos of x. What is derivative? 2 into pi minus 2x, again minus 2x derivative, this is f of pi by 2. Now we will substitute x equal to pi by 2. This is cos pi by 2 means 0. This is 0. Again 0 by 0 form. Okay. Again apply L'Hopital rule. So limit x tends to pi by 2. This is sin x, because cos derivative minus sin x, already minus is there. This is minus 4 into pi minus 2x derivative, again minus 2. So this is f of pi by 2. So from this put x equal to pi by 1 by 8. So 1 by 8 is 20. Third one, fourth option, yes, 23rd. So f of pi by 2 value. So 1 divided by 8 means fourth option answer. Next. 23rd, 24th same as 20th, e power f of x for g of x is there, e power f of x minus 1 into g of x case. 25th, this is also repeated question, same as which one repeated means I will tell. Question number 11th, same repeated question. Question number 11 you have to follow. So these are the questions from the CET 3. So you have to answer. In case any doubts are there, you can WhatsApp. Whatever the doubt problem is there, I will send solution. Okay. Thank you.